Hello and what's up everybody? You're much welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I'm trying to get a clear light. Okay, I guess here it's fine. Thank you guys for staying tuned. For my old subscribers, I'm so grateful. Okay, today is a beautiful day. I'm in Salaam, Tanzania. So I want to take you guys along with me. But before we go to where I'm going to show you, I just want to show you the view. Like where I'm staying, the view, my God, it's really nice. I have my friend over there. She's seated. She's called Irene. I'll be introducing her later. But before we go, I want to show you something. As you can see, my bags are all set. I think I have like 20 minutes. I'm going to get some time to relax. This is the view of my Airbnb. There is a main road over there. Oh my God, I guess you can see it so well. There is a playground, like something like a pitch, and we have kids over there. Somebody come in the comment section and tell me how you used to spend your breaks, because as I see those kids, I guess it's lunchtime. Oh my God, I waked up so late, but it's really beautiful. Hey, I have Lynn over here.
Hi guys.
This is the beauty of being a content creator. You know, I'm meeting Rin for the very first time, but we are like,
like we have met like I don't know so many years ago. You guys, please do support my friend over here. Make sure you're watching this video all the way to the end, and make sure you're clicking that like button so that she knows what kind of video you guys enjoy.
Wow.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, like why are you even watching?
Subscribe.
Why are you even watching without subscribing? Make sure you subscribe and do share this video.
Okay. Now, today, I want to show you something new. You know, when I came from Kigali, we rented this Airbnb here. It's in that. Is this Salaam?
Yes.
Yeah. This place is called Salaam. Well, that's where we are. And there is something amazing, like something I've not been finding in most of the Airbnbs I've been staying. Guys, the place first I upload, they are very clean. The place is super clean, you can see. And there is a healthy club, fully equipped. So I want to take you guys along with me. We go to the gym, we go to the swimming pool, even though I'm not dressed like somebody who's going to do gym or something, but it's going to be amazing. You need to see this. Hi, Ossie. My lighting is not good, but here we are to the gym area. Yup. Oh wow, now you're welcome. This is the door to the, like, this side is for the kids. I never knew that there is a place for kids as well, but this side is for the kids. Let me show you around. The place to the kids side is very secure, that when you're standing here, you can't even see outside. You see this? You can't see outside. That means the kids who come to pray here are very safe. Now there is something which is written here. Attention, the ball pour is for the children of 3 years and young only. I don't know, maybe some people used to come here and use this, but this is for the kids. Oh God, I'm loving the kids side. Welcome to Hallo Fitness Club. Wow. If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Wow. Now, inside our gym, as I told you when I was coming, they told me the place is well equipped. Indeed, it is well equipped. Let me show you guys around and you see you believe or you say no, it's not. But as for me, it's well equipped. The machines are all working. I don't know, it's because I'm vlogging, I can't try out, but it's really, really amazing. Maybe later in the day I'll come back and do some exercises. I think this is a treadmill. If you are around Salaam, or if you are planning to come to Salaam, please consider booking in this place. I'll be putting the link in the description box in case you feel like you can come and enjoy this day. From here, I'm going to be taking you to another side. That is the pool side area. Wow, let's go. Guys, I didn't know that we have the ladies section, like the ladies gym, but we have it over here. Unfortunately, our swimming pool is not working. The one I've showed you earlier, it's for the men, and I had to get a man to capture for me the footage there. But I'm going to be showing you around the ladies side. I couldn't show you a lot or into details. Please forgive my light. The lighting here is not good. I was telling you I couldn't show you into details in the ladies side, but it's fully equipped. So thank you guys for watching. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.